are loaded up. So we are doing a car camping trip. Me, my mom, and dad are going to Big South Fork for a long weekend. So this is Thursday morning, about 4:45 in the morning. So I'm gonna drive to Yahoo Falls, hike there, maybe explore around Blue Heron before checking into the campsite at Bandy Creek. So we'll show you all the way. But first trip with the 4Runner. Just picked her up a couple of weeks ago, or a week ago. Drove up last night to my parents, and drives really good. I mean, this thing, like, I was worried that with like my tubs and stuff for the camping trip, like I've got one for like Sally stuff, food, and like the campsite stuff, like tent and all that is in there. And I was worried that like that would block this rear window, and I've got a clear view all the way around. This is real,
It's almost like a swamp.
no. We're in Bandy Creek. Looking for C32. Right over there.
Got picnic tables, that's good.
Yeah. So I think that may be the bathhouse. So that's 30. This right here might be 32. So we're in C32, so they've got a water spigot, power, tent pad with the picnic table.
Number 32C, is that?
That's us. So my parents are sharing this beef stroganoff, and I want to have the chicken coconut curry. We got marshmallows to roast for later. Got my hot chocolate to have, and I'm snacking on some skinny pop. And got some sparkling water. So my parents are going to sleep in the back of their Xterra, and I'm going to sleep over. Me and Sally's going to sleep in the tent. So yeah, we'll see how all this goes. So I got these large marshmallows. You can see that. Mom got
You need to compare them.
the jumbo extra large marshmallows. I don't think I've ever seen a marshmallow that big. Alright, so had a good dinner. Mom enjoyed her fettuccine Alfredo. Dad had the stroganoff. He seemed indifferent toward it. And the actual coconut curry was really good. So anyway, I'm gonna check that out. Alright, so there's some stalls. Looks like there's 4 bathroom stalls, 2 showers. And they got a little light switch. Some hooks to hang your stuff on. A little bench to set stuff on.
Oh, is this a shower too?
Other showers over there.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, pretty nice bathrooms. Very clean. Alright, so I'm in the tent me and my husband used to share, the Big Agnes Tumble Mountain Glow 3-person tent. Really, it's a 2-person tent. It's got the built-in lighting system, but the batteries are dead, and right now I can't get the stupid back off, because I brought batteries, but I can't get the back off, so you can just use my headlamp. I got Sally's pad, got some more gear, got a blanket. I'm sitting on the X-Therm with my quilt, which right now is hot. And I got this at Target. It was like a down pillow or some semblant, like I think it's one of those like mock down pillows. So that'd be a nice change of pace. But anyway, great day on trail, you know, seeing all the sights and stuff. Tomorrow we're gonna try to do Twin Arches and maybe go to Pickett and stuff tomorrow. But we'll just see how we feel and what we feel up to doing. So anyway, good night. See you in the morning. Oh, and the meals were really good. And the marshmallows. Oh, and my mom, she made a super duper s'more. She used one of those Ghirardelli chocolate squares, but it was the caramel as her chocolate on her s'more, and then the roasted marshmallow with the graham cracker. It looked really good. It looked like she was enjoying it. So I love roasted marshmallows. I love marshmallows in general. So, but anyway, and Sally she looks tired. Sally, are you tired? Did you have a good day? It's been a lot of driving in 2 days. Today we were in the car probably like 5 hours, and yesterday was like 3. So I think we're all just tired of being in the car. But just I love this area. It's really nice. So we'll see what we see tomorrow. Good night. Slept pretty good. Parents are up. Ready to see some sights today. The rain cleared out for a bit, so we're cooking dinner. Got good chicken jambalaya for myself. Mom's got creamy beef and noodles with mushrooms, and Dad's got chicken teriyaki rice. That looks really good.
Yeah, I like it too.
That's cute. East Rim Overlook. We're just gonna do the East Rim Overlook.
It must be down here.
Oh, huh. I wonder if the path used to wander down this way. Oh, maybe the paved path wandered and then that was a shortcut. Oops. Oh well.
Oh, wow. Oh no. Oh, wow. Wow.
Dad's like, how stable is this deck?
I know, he'll be checking it out.
The colorblind viewer. Well, that was really pretty. This is definitely worth coming up here to see the sunset.
Yeah.
That's how we went down. So yeah, that's how we went down. Had just shortcuts going down that way. I wonder if we go that way, if it comes out right there.
It might.
That's pretty cool. Easy walk, gorgeous view. My tent. It's calling for rain in the morning. I don't want to deal with a wet tent, so I'm gonna sleep in the back of the 4Runner. So my X-Therm actually does fit, but that's with pushing it up against the folded seat. So we'll see how this goes. Figure Sally will sleep right here where my bath bag is sitting, and then my bins and stuff will stack. And yeah, it'll be cozy. But we are over here making dinner. Sally done ate most of her food. And we're boiling the water. So parents are sharing the Mountain House spaghetti meat sauce or meat sauce. I'm having the sweet pork rice.
Sounds good.
Yeah, it smells good. Smell of it. Gorgeous evening. Got the fire ready for tonight. There's some marshmallows. So, Sally tired.
This is an example of burnt.
I like mine burnt. Thank you. Alright, so we are in the 4Runner sleeping because it's calling for rain and I really don't want to have to deal with a wet tent. So got all my stuff stacked up in here. Got Sally over here occupying a corner, being all her normal panting self. Alright. I've got the window cracked and got the window cracked up there, so hopefully it doesn't rain, but we'll see. See how we sleep in the 4Runner. Been a great trip. It's always fun coming out with my parents, so yeah, we'll get up, drive home in the morning, 4.5 hours home. But had an awesome trip. The falls, both falls we saw, Yahoo Falls and Northrop, were really pretty, and just it's a gorgeous area, so highly recommend it. Most all the trails are pretty friendly as far as like terrain and stuff. Like they're really well maintained. Anyway, we'll see y'all on the next one. I think I'm gonna, if y'all want to just stick on the path, I'm gonna go down that way. See if there was another view. Yeah, I'm going down to the overlook. I'm just going this way, I think. I don't know. That's a lot of poison. Yep. Oh, that's right. They came down that way. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, driving up. We crossed the river bridge down there by Leatherwood, and there was just like this whole thing of fog. So I think there's just gonna be a whole sea of fog down here in this river valley. So I slept good in the car last night, and for the most part, like it got hot because I had rolled the windows up because of the rain. But man, it's just a gorgeous morning after that rain. It's so pretty. Oh, I see. Okay, so we were overlook's right there. So yeah, there ain't that much of a better overlook. So yeah, we'll just go out to the. That ain't anything. It's just it goes out to like a rock ledge, and I don't. Oh wow. So pretty. But that is it for Big South Fork. See y'all next time.